Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is my favorite drink. This is iced mocha latte with some vanilla ice cream. This drink has a beautiful combination of ice cream, chocolate and coffee. So let's see how to make this. Mix some instant coffee powder with some warm water. Now take a blender and pour in super chilled milk. Add some sugar. Add in the coffee mixture, vanilla ice cream and some cocoa powder, and blend it till the mixture becomes really creamy. Now let's see how to decorate the serving glass. Apply some chocolate syrup on top of the glass. And roll it in some sprinklers. Now pour some chocolate sauce inside the glass. And then pour in the iced mocha latte. Take the froth separately and add it on top of the drink. Now add in lots of vanilla ice cream. Add some chocolate powder and some sprinklers on top. And here it is, our iced mocha latte is ready. This delicious drink is definitely gonna be the best recipe for this summer. Don't forget to hit the like button. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.